Are you ready to unlock the potential of cryptocurrency trading and make money from the comfort of your home? Today, I'll share essential tips to help you navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency trading and maximize your profits. First, educate yourself about different cryptocurrencies and their underlying technology. Understanding market fundamentals will give you an edge in making informed decisions. Next, develop a solid trading strategy and stick to it. Whether you're a day trader, swing trader, or long-term investor, consistency is key. Practice risk management by setting stop-loss orders and diversifying your portfolio to minimize losses. Finally, stay updated on market trends and news to capitalize on lucrative opportunities. With discipline, patience, and continuous learning, you can unlock the potential of cryptocurrency trading and achieve financial success. Start your journey to financial freedom today by implementing these strategies and mastering the art of cryptocurrency trading. Subscribe to my channel to learn how I make consistent profit trading cryptocurrencies.